Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Elda.
Today we will discuss ways to increase the company's income.
I think we should improve our social media marketing. That's a good idea. Social media can help us reach more customers.
I agree. We can also create more attractive promotion content.
In addition, our special discounts might attract new customers.
Great suggestion. What else can we do?
We should focus on understanding customer needs. We can conduct survey to collect customer feedback.
And the survey result can help us improve our products and services.
Better product will increase customer satisfaction and sales.
Excellent. Let's summarize our plan.
We will improve social media marketing. We will conduct customer service.
We will create better promotional content.
We will offer discounts and improve product quality.